Hi, it's Josh from Abt Electronics here at CES 2016. Scott's going to explain this HDR stuff we've got going on. Cameras on your phone, they have HDR modes. We are all taking HDR pictures, which are overexposed, underexposed, stacking it all together to give us great pictures. But now TVs are going to be really heavy in HDR. Scott, how does that work out?
So HDR high dynamic range was introduced in 2015. Essentially, as we moved from HD to UHD, it was all about the pixels and the resolution, but now it's time to make the pixels better. Okay. And the way we're making the pixels better is by not limiting how bright or how dim they can go. TVs in the past had to sacrifice. If they were showing the brightness of the sun, they wouldn't be able to get the darkness needed for shadow detail. However, now with high dynamic range on Samsung SUHD TVs, you can get the brightness of the sun and the shadow detail up on the screen at the same time. This is important because that's how the human eye sees. And we want our TVs to look just like the real world does outside of TV.
Awesome. And all the 4K models that are coming out this year in 2016 are going to have this HDR technology?
For Samsung, HDR will be on our UHD TVs. All of our TVs will be able to read the HDR signal coming in from our partners. However, only the SUHD TVs from Samsung will reach 1,000 nits, which is really the brightness level we need to produce the bright light of sun and make it really look like the real world.
Awesome. Thank you very much. It's going to be an exciting year.
Yeah, very exciting year.
All right, more coverage here at CES 2016 to come.